Next we are going to deal with the perceptual ability test. The perceptual ability test PAT is designed to test your spatial visualization skills, especially your ability to interpret two-dimensional representations of three-dimensional objects. These skills will be useful to you as a dentist as you construct a mental image. Can you define perceptual ability test? The term perceptual ability refers to the faculty of interpreting or processing sensory information such as that gathered from sight. It is often discussed in relation to cognitive, thought and motor physical abilities. Types of perceptual ability test. First type, keyholes. Second, top front end. Third, angle ranking. 4, hole punching. 5, cube counting. 6, pattern folding. Detail going on. First, keyholes. With keyhole questions, you are presented with a 3D object and you must determine through which of 5 openings this object can pass. It passes through the opening in any orientation, but it cannot be rotated. Look at this. 3D object is presented. You must determine which of the 5 opening allow the object to pass through. Second, top front end. This question type presents you with 2 projections of an object. You are expected to determine the third. Example, 3, angle ranking. In angle ranking questions, you are presented with 4 angles labeled 1 to 4. You are required to rank the angles in increasing order. Angle ranking. 4, hole punching. In this question type, a square piece of paper is folded 1, 2 or 3 times, then 1 or more holes are punched at specific locations. You are required to mentally unfold the paper and determine the locations of the holes. Hole punching. 5, cube counting. Cube counting questions present you with several stacks of cubes. Each stack is constructed by cementing together identical cubes. You are asked to imagine that the stack as a whole is painted on all sides except for the bottom. Then you are asked to determine how many cubes have a particular number of sides painted. Cube counting. 6. Pattern folding. In pattern folding questions, a flat pattern is presented and you are asked to select the 3D figure into which it folds. Pattern folding. Thank you. Have a nice day.